gotta get up. You gotta get up and make a move. 'Cause the world will never see you until you do. No, they don't really care what you're going through. So you gotta show up, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time stopping by, you're welcome. Today's look is gonna be on this very pigmented eyeshadow palette that I love so much. Ta-da! The Masquerade by Juvia's Place. I have been wanting to get this palette for so long, but for some reason I have been postponing. I finally got it. Yes, I did. Guys, I am going to show you guys how I achieved this look using the Masquerade by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette from start to finish. Don't go anywhere until the end of the video. I'm sure you guys want to see how I achieved this look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So guys, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera to save us some time. First, I'm gonna be using my Tarte concealer in the shade Deep. My crease. And also blend the concealer. So I'm gonna blend this in. This is how it looks after priming with a concealer. I'm gonna be setting the concealer on my eyes with my Sacha Buttercup. Just gonna take a little and then just put it right where I put the concealer. I'm going to sweep away the setting powder. Eyeshadow, I'm using the Masquerade by Juvia's Place. This eyeshadow is so good, believe me. And it's my first time using it. I'm gonna get my blending brush and I'm going to go in with Burkina. I'm gonna go in with this light brown right here and just apply it on my crease in this motion. This is going to serve as my first transition eyeshadow. As you can see, it blends so well with my skin tone, and this eyeshadow is so easy to blend, like so easy to blend. Don't stress yourself, you don't have to force it, you just keep blending and it goes in well. So for my second transition, yes, I'm using Agar and blending into my crease again, second transition color. So yes, see, I'm going to go into the shade Fulani right here. And I'm gonna get my concealer and just make like a, not a cut crease, but you know, kind of like a cut crease across where my main eyeshadow is gonna sit. I'm just gonna. So guys, I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette again, and I'm gonna get this Casablanca here and put it right on where I have my concealer. Oh my god, I don't even have to press hard. I'm in love with an eyeshadow palette. Black eyeshadow right here. And I'm just gonna put this on my outer crease, and I'm just gonna go press my main eyeshadow right here. Anastasia Go Kit. I'm going to go into my butterscotch and take a little bit and just put this on my brow bone. I really do. There's no one in the world I'd rather see your beautiful face in the morning now. I know of course you disagree.
disagree.
It smells like chocolate.
Such beauty, so lovely. Oh, your super soft skin. Where do I begin? Why don't I go from head to toe? Here we go. Your eyes, your lips, your nose, your cheeks, your ears, and how they pay close attention to me. Your hands, you touch the way I blush because of what your touch does to me. Don't forget the way you look into my eyes. I swear that you've got me under a spell, but I don't mind, just keep me there because I love it if you can tell. And when I fall, you always catch me. And when I call to see if you're free, I'm waiting for you at your front door to tell you you're the only one that I adore. And I should say, as I make my way to you, that I love you. And we would be so beautifully in love. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. So will you be mine? Take you everywhere I go. I never thought I'd find someone I could call my own. And I should say, as I make my way to you, that I love you, I love you. As I'm on my way to you, that I love you, I love you, I really do. It was December, yes, I remember the way that you were always there for me. I didn't know you, but I could show you, yes, I could show you definitely. And I should say, as I made